Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in the same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit the thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of this thumbs up. Okay guys, I have been filming majority of the day today, but more importantly, the Boxycharm boxes. If you're not familiar, I had two accounts on Boxycharm. One I had before I started a channel. That one got upgraded to the Luxe, which I already had the opportunity to open up on this channel. And then the second one I opened up when I started my channel so that I would have a base box during Luxe months. I ended up keeping that second one because then they came out with the premium. So then I figured, okay, I'll keep the base, I'll choose one for one box, one for the other, and then I went on waitlist for both. And believe it or not, my newer account got off the waitlist first, and then my original account got off the waitlist after when it came to the premium. And with premium, you get to choose 2 items. So with those, I ended up keeping up and having 2 accounts. And because I've had a channel, I was able to, whatever was duplicates or anything like that, I was able to then put it into what I called gifts for later. And what that meant for you guys was my giveaways. And right now, currently, we are doing the largest giveaway because we hit 5,000 subscribers at the beginning of the month. And I put 5 boxes together so that we can have 5 winners, but I have a video that will share all the items and you'll be able to choose and enter for 1 box or all 5. It's up to you. All the information is in that video, as well as in the description box of what you need to do to be able to get into the celebration of this channel within the first 3.5 years of having a channel, reaching that 5,000 subscribers, which is mind-blowing to me right now. But right now we are talking about the end of a chapter, and the end of this chapter is the Boxycharm Premium. This is the one thing that is not going to be moving over from my understanding and all the research that I did that I had the opportunity to share with you guys here. I do very informative videos because I'm looking for that information for myself, because I purchase. I don't just, get items and then not, I'm a consumer like you guys. So all that information is what I was sourcing for myself. I just chose to film it, and you guys are enjoying that information too. So for the spoilers, for the informative videos, going through the products and all of that is something that I've had the enjoyment of doing, and it's so fantastic that so many others are enjoying this type of content, so I appreciate that so much. So with this premium box, my understanding is that it is no more. What they are doing is what, if you're a part of IPSY like I am, we had the opportunity to get what they called a boost product, which was an extra $15 a month that you have to pre-sign up for, and then they add it to your plus box. So because the plus box is going to be as name only going away, and they're placing it with the Boxycharm base box that's moving over, that's the new name for what we all know as IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So the base box is moving over, and then they say that you'll be able to add a 6th product with the boost, which is what we've been getting over on IPSY, for the last few months. So the premium box, which was a separate box, which once you signed up for Boxycharm, you could have just gotten this box on its own. Once you sign up, you always had to sign up with the base, but you could have got rid of the base and then stuck with the premium box, and the premium box you can get on its own. You just couldn't upgrade to the Luxe from it. So this was a box that was on its own, and you got another 6 full products for just $10 more than a base box. So that's what I'm gonna miss a lot about Boxycharm. They're putting over the mega drop shop, which is fantastic, because that was another fantastic sale that, IPSY has the shopper, they have their flash sales, they have add-on sales, they always have specialty limited boxes, they have the edit box, which I opened up on my channel, which was Natasha Denona this month. So all of that is absolutely fantastic. And they have a lot more over at Ipsy for me that I really, really enjoyed, but I really did enjoy getting the premium box. So when they got rid of the ultimate box over at Ipsy, then the premium box became the box that I was looking for those higher end products in. So like I said, I've been enjoying getting the 2 premium. You know, it's the old story that it's easier for the box to break up with me than for me to break up with this box. So that is how I feel about all this. Share with me your feelings in reference to this. I know there's been, like, since Ipsy took it over, there was a lot of duplication, but there was also on the last few cards that I read where it said new to Boxycharm, and they were products that I was already getting and I knew about through Ipsy. So I understand why this is all happening, but it's going to be, for me, a real loss because, you know, I'm going to be losing 4 boxes, you know, that I share on the channel. And then of course the Lux always showed up on a different month than the X. And now they're taking those 2 and combining it into one icon box. So dollar wise, my wallet will be a little bit happier. And for a lot of us who have so much product that we haven't really had the opportunity to enjoy, I think it will end up being better in the long run, but it is something that I feel is going to take me a little while to I'm feeling it now as I'm filming the last 3 Boxycharm boxes, you know, right now. So that's how I'm feeling. So I'm sharing that with you guys. So I would love to know how you feel in the comments down below. So let me go through the last box that I am going to be filming for the premium. I've already filmed the base and the other premium. And I've already, like I said, I don't know which is going to go up first. Just know that on my channel, you'll be able to already see the Lux, and then you'll have to keep your eyes open for 2 premiums as well as 1 base. But I'm going to try to get it uploaded over the next couple of days. All right. Starting with the first item here, which was my choice item, and it is from the brand called Grown Alchemist. It is a balancing toner that has rose, ginseng, as well as chamomile in it. It also has a refreshing, this is a refreshing, invigorating toner for an instant lift and radiant glow. It leaves the face soft and clean. It has a balancing of the skin, refining facial pores, and evening out your skin tone. This is a $36 value on its own. And we've been very lucky, both in Boxycharm and Ipsy. I've had the opportunity to try so many products from this brand. Most of them were moisturizers for the day, for the night. Also, their primer is beautiful as well. I've had the opportunity to try that. Then I got a sample size, which I put aside of the cleanser from this brand, so that when I will use the cleanser, I will then now have the toner to match up with it. So that I was holding on to be able to test it out. So I'm excited to have now the match to the cleanser, but the cleanser I got in a small sample size, which is from the Glam bag. So excited to have this one now to add to my arsenal. The next one here was my other choice item because I thought this was a really unique product. And also I chose 2 different items in my other premium, which is what I like to do, because this is about trying, for me, this channel, and for myself personally, it's to try as many products as I can and then help in reference to the mini reviews or beauty tips that I can share along the way. So this one here is from the brand that's called The New Company. This is the Super Thick Scalp Serum. They're saying for hair that is thinning or it has, that you have the shedding, it says this topical scalp supplement is in the form of a serum. It is designed to reduce your hair shedding, and it will build thicker hair and more body. It is 90% said that their hair is stronger and thicker after 90 days of use. Before washing, massage into your scalp while dry 2 to 3 times per week. So if you don't wash your hair as often as 2 to 3 times a week, then just make sure the night before the day that you're going to wash it, try to add this to your treatment and tell me if you've gotten this, if how you're planning on using this as well. So this was something I was planning on passing along, but the fact that this isn't just for thinning hair, it might be something that will need to be shared so I can try. The next item in here is from Kors. This is their yogurt probiotic super dose face mask. And this is a super dose Greek yogurt facial mask that works as a total skin reset in less than 10 minutes. It is powered by more pre and probiotic rich real Greek yogurt than any other skincare product. This on its own is a $52 value. This I'm really excited about as well. This is one that I share with you all the times. The Kors line is a line that I got introduced to through the shopping channels, and it is one that I really, really enjoy. A lot of their products, but their yogurt line is one that I think a lot of us have had, for me, if you're a Course girl, you've had the opportunity to try, but I have not had the opportunity to try this one yet. So I'm really excited about this. And even in the Allure, I think we're going to be getting, I don't know which box it is. I shouldn't be saying the name. I'm not sure which box, but I know I did a sneak peek where there is going to be, I think it might be Macy's, of the a sample size of the Course cleanser, which I have in the full size, but it's also from the yogurt line, which is such a fantastic, fantastic line of theirs. The next one in here was one that is getting such hype everywhere, and it is from this brand called Youthforia, and this is the BYO blush. It says, meet the award-winning, first of its kind, color-changing blush oil. It is the secret to the everyday no makeup makeup. It has a universally flattering blush that reacts to your skin's natural pH to instantly give you the perfect shade of natural flush. This on its own is a $36 value. And this is what it looks like here. So this works with your body heat, the chemistry. It is not going to be green. Usually these, I've used these in lip forms before from IT Cosmetics as well as other brands. So all this is the same formula to me that will be on the cheeks. And this will give you that pinky color. And I have friends, you know, with different skin tones. And for all of us, they all ended up being, at least with the lip product, all of them looked just as pink as they were on me. So we'll see if anyone had the opportunity to try this. Please share with me, because I don't want to open this one up because I don't know if this is something that I'm going to keep for myself. But if this is something you've had the opportunity to use, I would love your feedback in the comments down below. The next item in here is from Ciate London. And this one is their Fruit Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. This is an innovative gloss oil hybrid. They're saying it combines the hydration of a balm and the shine of a gloss with zero stickiness. They're saying it is packed with lip nourishing ingredients. It also has a delicate scent and a light sweet and just a slight hint of color. And this is $16 on its own. So it's one of those tubes that if you know you were the juicy girl, you know what these are like. So this is a mixture between a gloss and an oil, so it might be a little bit stickier, so I'll have to give this a try. This will be a new one to me. And the only repeat that I got in my other premium box was this item here, but this is a great repeat because I go through cleansers so much. This is the La Palette Beauty Vital Yellow Fresh Cleanser. This is the one-step vitamin C cleanser that helps to brighten your skin while removing debris and makeup. It is a gel-like formula. It contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin feeling hydrated. This is a K-beauty brand. This is made in Korea. And what is absolutely fantastic about this is that they're putting essences in here, because the step that I added into my skincare routine over the last decade has been where I got introduced through, I think it was the Chacha brand, which was a really expensive essence. It cost me over $100 and it was a glass bottle and all of that. And because now we learned so much and we have access to so many brands, and especially K-beauty with Style Vena and all of the others, Style Korean, all of those companies where we can have access to a lot of these brands where we don't have to wait for a US company to bring them over. We have access to these fantastic products at phenomenal pricing with ingredients that are unbelievable. So the fact that an essence is already in the cleanser just makes this one that I cannot wait to have the opportunity to try and to have backup of. So that's everything that I have to share with you for this premium box. But like I said, you'll be seeing a lot of Boxycharm back to back on my channel, so you'll be able to see the base and then the other premium as well as this premium as well. Please share with me your thoughts and feelings in the comments down below. I'd love to know how you're feeling about this change. And if you're feeling like I'm feeling, I would love to know that also. All right, everybody, don't forget about the giveaway. I will leave that in the description box to make sure that you are part of the celebration. All you have to do is enter. All right, take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.